Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create this Eid poster design using AI and Adobe Photoshop. The base of the design is this image, which I created using ChatGPT with this prompt. The prompts are mentioned in the description of the video. It may take multiple attempts, and you can also try other AI tools to create a similar type of image. I finalized these two images, and I will use this one for the design. Open the Adobe Photoshop. The document size is 1080 by 1350. Go to the File menu, choose Place Embedded, select the image, and place. Adjust its size and position. Then place the Arabic text into the design. The link to this text and other assets is mentioned in the description of the video. Add the other text to the design and follow my text settings. Select the image layer and add a solid color adjustment layer on top of it. Select the mask. Go to the gradient tool, use these settings, and apply it. Place the icons and the logo into the design. Finally, add a solid color adjustment layer on top in the Layers panel. Change its blend mode to hue. Now you can play with the colors with just one click. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.